Here are some tests of Dunlop tubeless tyres. We started by hammering in these nails, but these tests are not stunts. They involve everyday motoring hazards which could damage ordinary tyres, but made much more severe for test purposes. The car we used was one of the many different makes in the Dunlop test fleet. Take curbing. This was our test version of it. Then there's the unexpected obstacle. We did 45 fast runs over a 7-inch curbstone. We dug ourselves a really nasty pothole, 17 inches deep, and crashed over it again and again, cornering until the rubber smoked. Yet still, the tyre-to-rim air seal remained intact. When the tyres had cooled, they showed no loss of pressure. So we dropped it to 8 pounds and tried again. First, curbing. Then the curbstones. Full lock cornering to try to roll it off the rim. Remember, the nails are still there. Just look at that tyre. And after all this, it was quite unharmed and the pressure was still 8 pounds. We do feel these tests prove that if you want really safe, trouble-free motoring, you want Dunlop tubeless. And they cost no more than the ordinary cover and tube. Don't you think it's time you changed to Dunlop tubeless?
And the air stays in. Well, that's quite natural. Everyone knows by now that roadside delays are virtually things of the past with Dunlop tubeless. And what people don't always realize is that they're trouble-free in every way. Now look how easily they're fitted, for example. First, a few bounces to make a partial seal, and in goes the air. Pressure up to 50 pounds. Then, an underwater check. Down to normal pressure, and the job is done. If you do pick up a nail in a Dunlop tubeless tyre, you can carry on for 2,000 or 3,000 miles if necessary, but then you ought to see to it. And that's no trouble either. The equipment for the job is the Dunlop Ready Plug outfit. The tyre stays on the wheel and the nail is removed. The needle is dipped in the solution and pushed through the hole. And then again. Then a plug is fixed to the needle, dipped in the solution and pushed into the tyre. Out with the needle, off with the surplus plug, and that's it. A permanent repair in 29 seconds. Remarkably simple job, isn't it? No trouble at all. Don't you think it's time you changed to Dunlop tubeless? They cost no more than a cover and tube.
This weather can be quite a lot of fun. But if you have to travel, you must have the right equipment. And the right equipment for these conditions is the new Dunlop Weathermaster tyre. Watch this car start off. It's fitted with Weathermaster tyres, and look how it gets off the mark. And now, the same car fitted with ordinary tyres. First class, but not designed for these conditions. Watch the Weathermaster again. Quite astonishing grip. There he goes, steady as a rock. And it's the same on slush, mud, and greasy roads as well. The road holding is remarkable. Remember last winter in Britain? Lots of trouble, lots of hold-ups. Not necessary now we've got Weathermaster tyres to take us through. They're not everybody's need, but the man who's got to get there, the doctor, the vet, the traveller, the farmer, the businessman, should get a set of Weathermasters now. They'll give good service all the year round.